Welcome to Suburbs Siblings. Make sure to like and subscribe. Today we're going to be making a pollinator attraction. We are going to make a pollinator for bees and butterflies out of a old tree stump. Our dad got decorative fencing from Home Depot. You need an adult to help you drill holes. My dad drilled the holes, then put all this walling in, and my sister did these two things, and put a little door in the back, right here. Next, we put in the dirt. Our dad jumped in because it was heavy. Now we'll smooth it out. We have hummingbird, wildflower mix, wildflower bird and butterfly mixture, and butterfly weed. These go about a fingernail under the soil.
After you get them all down, push them all in the soil there. There you go. I did some over here too.
Next, give your seed lots of water. Make sure to subscribe to see how our garden does. Bye. Molly, over here. Hold on.